apps affairs show you.
How to enable and disable power button to end call on iPhone. Here's how to do it. Go to your iPhone settings app, scroll down and tap on accessibility. And here tap on side button. And here you will get this section, press and hold to speak. Here you have to select Siri to end a call with power button. Once you selected here Siri, go back from here and again open your iPhone settings app and again tap on accessibility. And now tap on touch. And here scroll down a little bit. And here you will get this prevent lock to end call option. Prevent the side button from ending current call. So to disable your power button to end call, you have to enable this option. Once toggled on, the next time whenever you get a call and you press the power button accidentally, it won't disconnect the call. And toggle this option off, and after that if you receive a call and the power button will end the call if you pressed during a call on your iPhone. So this is how we can enable or disable power button ends call option on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.